welcome back to OMG123. And today we're going to be interviewing the birds. Okay, it's going to be all types of birds. Okay, let's get this started.
Thank you, honey. How are you doing?
I'm doing really well.
Are you enjoying the weekend and your off-season school timing?
Yes.
I heard that your birthday is approaching. When is that?
It's on July 5th.
Excited?
Yes, really, really excited.
You will be how old then?
I'm going to be 7 years old.
Wonderful. Congratulations in advance. So fireworks on your birthday.
Oh, the fireworks is on July 4th. Right?
And your birthday is on July 5th.
Yeah. It's, you have to go like that.
Wonderful. Thank you. Today I am interested to know a little bit about birds. Birds type, what they eat, and there's so many other questions around the birds. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm super duper ready.
And thank you for teaching me. I am learning a lot from you. All right, let's get started. How many birds type you know?
I think, can I say them?
Go ahead.
Okay. There is blue jay, eagle, seagull, and then there is duck and crow. So that's 5.
Wonderful. I like your t-shirt.
Thank
Love
you.
85.
Thank you.
Tell me the birds you mentioned. Where do they live, each of them?
Well, the blue jay lives mostly in the forests. The eagles live in Christmas trees outside of houses, not in the houses. The seagull lives on beaches. The duck lives in water, and the crow lives mostly anywhere, but they like to live in the trees, but not Christmas trees. So yeah.
What about the foods they eat? Do they eat the same food as we do, human?
Some yes and some no. So I'm gonna be telling you it's gonna be for the blue jay. It's gonna be nuts and berries and insects. For the eagle, it's gonna be meat, mouses, and other tiny birds. For the seagull, it's gonna be mostly fish and other foods like our foods, like chips. And for the duck, it's gonna be fish, and for the crow, it's gonna be nuts and berries.
Wonderful, thank you. Are these birds, are they human friendly?
So the blue jays, they are scared of humans, so they don't hurt people. But the seagull, they are wild, so they can hurt you. The eagle, so the seagull, that was for the eagle. The seagull are scared of humans. Yeah, for the duck, they can hurt you, but they sometimes are scared. And that is same for crow. And sometimes crows can actually be friends with you. It can be your pet sometimes.
Wonderful. Have you ever fed them any food?
I have never fed any food except ducks. I have actually a duck place somewhere near my house, and I feed them like cereals.
If I ask you, honey, I want you to feed whatever birds among these birds you like, which bird or birds you would pick up to feed?
I like ducks because they don't get to us when we feed them. Like, they don't hurt us. So, yeah.
Where do I find them, each of them?
Eagles, you have to look in the sky. For the blue jay, I think you need to go like somewhere you can I think the forest will be good for you there. The seagulls, I think beaches are great. For the duck, I think you can go to some ponds and you might find some, or some rivers. For the crow, I think you can just go to parks and you'll find them.
Wonderful. So what about these birds? Do they hate each other? Do they like each other? Do they like playing with each other? Can you tell a little bit about that?
Blue jays, they can play with others. For the eagles, they eat others. So as I was saying, so they can't be friends, except if it's the same bond, like the same animal. You can, if it's like that, but they can't. So yes. For the seagull, no. For the crow, no. For the duck, sometimes.
So if I ask you, let's say you are given an option. Hey, honey, I want you to keep one of these birds as your pet. Which one would you prefer?
I'm gonna prefer a crow because you can't keep any other as a pet. But I like blue jays. If I could pick any animal, I'll pick blue jays.
But mostly I think the crow is black color, isn't it?
Yes.
Would you like keeping the black color crow in your home? It doesn't matter, right?
It might blend in sometimes, so I will have to find it. So that'll be hard. But I like crows.
But you're good at painting. You can paint their, feather, right?
That you can't do with birds.
Okay. All right. Thank you again. Good learning from you. Is there anything you want to tell your audience?
Well, thank you for being in my videos. Watching my videos. And I love you. You are great. And see you in my next video. Bye.